Listen, I don't know if anybody's talking about this. This analytic clear cryptos platform is absolutely fantastic here. Um, I looked at CoinMarketCap, I looked at Dex Tools, I looked at Uniswap, I looked at different things. I ain't never seen anything like this. Now, the social active, and we're gonna break this down. By the way, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching the video today. The social active, I think, is very, very, very interesting. So this means over here that I'm clicking at, I'm seeing the tokens and the source. I know I'm going to go to the other side. We're going to break this down. Look at this. I see social active. So that means I can go ahead and look at what's the most active here. So number one is Zenu. So if I go back to Zenu, right, I can see the social active. And I could click right on the actually Twitter or the social media that they have and go right to the social media to the actually project here. Guys, this is actually brilliant. 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 Look at the next one. I go to the next one, FWT. Go right to the Twitter, the social media activity from that, and I can learn more about what's going on here. So let me go ahead and back it up. First of all, the branding and the interface is really good. I got my hat on, I got my shirt on as well. It looks really good. And you can change the color right here. I think it changed the color right there. I can go to white and go to black. That's in the top right there. All right, so let's start over. Today's market highlights Ethereum market cap here. So that's the Ethereum market cap that shows there. Got a little bit of a graph. This is 24 hours and it's up 2.3%. Now, the state of the market, it shows you exactly what the state of the market is, a total market cap, and it shows last day global volume and also Bitcoin dominance. Now, check this out. When I click on read more, I'll see a little bit that I can read. Let me go ahead and zoom this in just a bit. Total crypto market cap is over $1 billion. Look at that. And so, which is down 0.142% over the last day. The 24-hour global crypto volume is that. So basically, I'm reading the information there, and this is actually really, really cool here. Bitcoin dominance is giving me that information there as well. I like this. This is more data, just like they just said. More data that we're talking about. Now, let me zoom out just a bit here, and I'm seeing the live. Okay, I'm at the hot pair. So here's the hot pairs that you see here. See, Ethereum USDC is the hottest pair that you have. Ethereum USDT, and then Ethereum USDC once again. So those are the hot pair. These are the exchanges here. The price, exchanges, price in 24 hours, swap in 24 hours, and then the volume 30 days USD. And this is updated 2 minutes ago. So this is real time basically. So hot pair, biggest gainers in terms of pairs. Now this is pairs. It's not individual project. These are pairs. So the biggest gainers on pairs will be this one. So then now I can click on there to get more information, and this will help me decide, okay, should I go ahead and look more into this pair? Should I buy this pair? And then I can start making better decisions on this. So look at this, the price information, liquidity, also the dollar exchange rate, open price, highest price. Look at all this data. Goes down to the graph. I got the 4-hour chart, the 1-month chart. Oh, no, excuse me, the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute chart here, 30-day chart. Oh, look at this. And then the meta information here. Meta, I'm thinking about Facebook. Don't you think about meta when it comes to Facebook? Anyway, okay, flocking, CoinGecko ranking, and then you also see the wrap Ethereum over here. So this is actually breaks down the actually pair trade history. So people are actually trading this. Looks like they're selling this right now. That's what it looks like, the type. And then all I have to do is look on the graph, the action. I click on the action. I go to another area. It takes me to the Ethereum scanner, or the Ether scan, I should say, just giving me more and more data. So let me go ahead and back up just a bit. This is really, really exciting here. Now, the biggest loser shows that the ones are just not doing as well. Just keep it very, very simple. And just added, this is the information just added inside the system here. So it's taking data from different points, which is really, really good. My favorite on this here on the dashboard, I love the social active. I really, really do here, because then I'll get a chance to see what's the activity. I like the whole dashboard in terms of the state of the market and the market cap. So I'm liking that. Okay. And of course, the hot pairs and the biggest gainers and the biggest loser, obviously. Now, when I go to live pairs, this tells me more about the live pairing, what's going on in decentralized exchanges here. So I get the trading pair, price, exchange, price change, and then the liquidity 24 hours and the update. So I get that there. The stats. Now, check this out. I can add a new exchange. So let's say I wanted to do the current, it said the current trends of any exchange, okay? So let me go ahead and see if I can add this in there. Look at this. Okay, crypto.com DeFi swap. So I want to add that in there, all right? Check that out. You see that? I'm going to close this there. And crypto.com DeFi swap. Let's see if I can add another one here. Let's say I got sushi. I do like sushi swaps. You got link swap. I think there's one I wanted to check out. Let's go sushi swap, all right? So then I can have a comparison. Crypto.com, the DeFi swap, and the sushi swap. So a little bit of a comparison and more data. All I have to do is click on see all, and it's going to bring up everything that's active and deactive or inactive in that specific swap, which is really, really good. Pair Explorer is going to give me more data as well. So Rapid Ethereum USDC, remember that's one of the hottest, biggest gainers so far. It's just giving me more data. And we kind of went over this a little bit earlier. Let's look at this, the more information on the meta information, the trade history, and the pair correlations here. So this means that I can go ahead and search for an asset. So Ethereum, USDC, and then I'm gonna go and click another one. Let's say Bone Ethereum, the whole Shiba Bone Ethereum. So I click on there, and it's gonna show me metrics of both of those actually pairings here. So then you're gonna see a score here, or like I say a grade, and then you can go down here and see the actually correlation coefficient.